My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing up a sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my man's gram on the description below, and it'll be right next to me. I think it's on this side. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so I know I have not been doing sneaker reviews like I usually do. It's just one of two things. One, it's just nothing been dropping. Nothing has been dropping. Nothing that I want has been dropping. And two, I've been doing other things, to be honest with you. Like, I always travel, but like now I've been traveling a little bit more. And other things have just caught my attention. Still love my YouTube channel. I enjoy doing this. It's just, I'm not gonna give y'all bullshit content. I'm just not. If I can't give y'all a real review or a real reaction or something like video, something like that, I'm just not gonna do it, because it's not fair to y'all for me just be throwing out something just to throw out something. So with that being said, do have a new sneaker review today. Was looking for this, didn't even know this shoe was dropping. I have not been up on my sneaker news, so I haven't been paying it no mind. But before we get to the actual sneaker thing, y'all know Classic, he usually hold my cameras. He at school right now. He's such a good kid. I'm not saying it because of my son. He's just such a good kid. So he never asks for nothing. So every now and then, I wish he was here so y'all can get this reaction when I give him his gift. But every now and then, I just randomly, if I see something I know he like, I'm going to get it without even thinking about it. Don't care about the price. So I saw this at Foot Locker, and I remember seeing these on an ad or something on a website, and I didn't even think about it. It was like 2 months ago, and I didn't even think about it. So got the Pokemon Crocs, and the good thing about this is Gengar is his favorite Pokemon. So this is a size 8. Classic has been ran a size 7.5. So 8 should be good for him. And even if it's not, he's not gonna care. He's gonna grow into it. But yeah, these Gengar, they do glow in the dark. I don't know. I think it's just the widgets, they glow in the dark. I don't know. I haven't really tested them. But we got Gengar right there, one with his tongue out, one with him smiling, look all menaces. Got these, it look like grapes. I don't know what that is. It look like grapes. And I don't know what that is either. Two wedges right there. So, and let me see. Got the little Pokemon. Pokeball. Got a Pokeball right there. And the inside says Pokemon right there. So, I mean, he's dope. Like I said, these are his, this is his favorite Pokemon. When they had a Pokemon Go Fest at USC at the Rose Bowl. Not USC, at the Rose Bowl, excuse me. I bought him some Gengar socks and a Gengar shirt. Like, he loves Gengar. So, got Classic that. So, alright, so to the main event. Right here. Once again, shout out to Foot Locker. Plain black box. You see in the middle, KD right there. Reads Nike Zoom KD. What was that? 4? Yeah, KD 4. KD 4. I did a V is KD 4, right? Yeah, KD 4. Color is Pink Fire 2 black. Rose Nora. I think suggested retail price is $130 if I'm not mistaken. I think it's $130. So size 9, because I do go up on KD's half a size, like I go up on Kobe's half a size. So they kind of snug, but you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. All right, let's get to it. Number special, white paper right there. And without further ado, ooh, I miss these. I remember these. Let's put that right there. Can y'all see that? Y'all probably can't see it. Right there. Nah, it got to do. Without further ado, we got the Nike KD 4 Aunt Pearl. Boom. Okay, so Nike KD4 on pearls. Pull the other one out. I try to, I sort of lighten it. It didn't really look right when I try to show y'all that. So hopefully the thumbnail come out pretty good. Let's do this real quick. Let's see that. Yeah, it kind of get kind of dark right there. So try to do this. Let's see. Try to get y'all a good thumbnail. All right, whatever. That might be the thumbnail. All right, so we got the KD4 on pearl. These are the second time these dropped, and I've been noticing they've been retroing a lot of KDs, man. KD4s. They got the where's my phone? They had the KD Weathermans, the KD Nerves. Like they've been retroing all of KD old shoes, and the crazy thing about that is these are so easy to get right now. Like you can walk into any Foot Locker, or I don't know if Champs got them. But I'm pretty sure they do. You can walk in any one of these retail stores and get it for retail. You don't worry about the resale. You should not be paying resale value for these shoes. I can't speak in a week or 3 days or 4 days later, but you can get these shoes. Like Kobe's are sitting. Like I was at Foot Locker the other day, and it was a bunch of Kobe's still there. So especially the white ones. So I'm just pulling up the information so I can give you some information on these. Yeah. There we go. I got some information. All right. So before I get to that, check out the fit. This is a OTB custom baseball jersey. Got OTB right there. I'm wearing my this got OTB on it too. But I'm wearing the New York hat because today my boys, the Yankees, baby, they play the Dodgers today. World Series Game 1. They are in LA. Luckily, I don't got nowhere to go tonight because traffic's gonna be crazy. It's so many LA games. We got the Dodgers versus the Yankees in the World Series Game 1 today. Which is a home game for the Dodgers. Because they had a better record. We got the Lakers versus the Suns. The Lakers are home. Got a home game against the Suns. Game 2 of the season. Both teams is 1-0. Looking to go 2-0 in the season. It's a high school game. I don't know where it is. High school basketball game that's at another one of these arenas. I forgot which arena. But like that, I think it's a concert tonight. LA traffic tonight is going to be so bad. So bad. And luckily, I don't have to go nowhere. I do coach a women's basketball team, but it is 5 minutes down the street. So I can walk there if I want. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all the fit. And shout out to Very Cool Brand. Y'all see this? Trying to show y'all that. Y'all can't. I don't want to change the camera. Oh yeah, it says my name on the back too. It's hard because I didn't want to try to bend over. That looked weird. But I'm using the tripod. So, but yeah, these are Very Cool Brands shoes like that. Shout out to Very Cool Brand. My first time wearing them. I got so many of these. So the fit is official right now. I'm definitely feeling the fit. Y'all feeling the fit? Let me know in the comments below. All right, so let's get into the KD Aunt Pearls. All right, I got some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It'll be up right now. You can read along with me. Okay, get that ad out the way. All right, the Nike KD4 Retro Aunt Pearl released on October 25th via sneakers, and a variety of partner retailers arriving in men's sizing for $130. So I was right about that. One of the most coveted colorways from the sneakers' original run, the Aunt Pearl takes its name from Durant's late aunt, lost in a battle against lung cancer. R.I.P. His aunts. The shoe served as the second in the series, now a theme that sneakerheads anticipate on each success KD model. Keep our where to buy section below, close by. Okay, that's just showing where you can buy it. So yeah, that's the retail. That's the release date. Here goes some more pictures. Oh, maybe I gotta click over. Oh, there we go. Some more pictures. I like that one. Instead of having to scroll up and down, more picture right there. But y'all about to see the shoe anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, that's all I need. Anyway, all right. So, yeah, he's still coming out with Aunt Pearls or whatever like that. I have lost track of KDs. I'm not gonna lie. These was the only model of KDs I liked, the KD4s. There wasn't really. KD5s are okay. The 3s are okay too. I guess the 3s, the 4s, and the 5s. That's pretty much it. I don't really get into KDs no more. Back in the day, Kobe's, KD's, LeBron's, I used to get it. And I was the only one that was rocking them as, like, you know, everyday shoes. You know, some people, like, you can't wear basketball shoes as as casual wear. Shit, you can do whatever you want. I paid money for it, so I'm gonna do whatever I want. So these though, I remember back in the day, I had a pair. I'm using my phone. I can't go to my Facebook. That's how old it is. But I have a picture. I think it was 2011. I might post it up. You know what? I am gonna post it up. It'll probably be up right now like that. I am gonna put that picture. But I had it when they first came out. I'm mad I only took one picture with them. And it was just them in the box. I wish I would have took more, like me wearing them or whatever like that. But I remember when these came out. Pink's my favorite color, first of all. And these are just dope. It's an all pink upper. I like that. Got that cross Nike strap right there. Just see if it still got the message on the inside. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Still have the message on the inside, which reads, in memory of Aunt Pearl, who inspired us all to continue the fight for a cure. Like that. See if you see that right there. Boom. Still got the message on the inside. Got the breast cancer awareness logo on the tongue. That's pearls behind it. Those right there is pearls. And it's pearls going right there. Look at that. The black Nike swoosh right there. Just a beautiful, beautiful shoe. I like that. That translucent pink by outer midsole and outer sole right there. I just like it, bro. I always like this shoe. And Katie on the back, as you can see on both shoes. Nothing different from the other shoe. But yeah, it's a dope shoe. It's simple, but I like it, man. I like it. And you can rock this as casual with. I mean, of course, I wouldn't put no jeans with it, nothing like that. Maybe some joggers. You can do some joggers with this, but definitely shorts. I like it. I like the shoe. I'm so glad that these shoes are being retroed. And I remember it all started with the South Beaches, the LeBrons being retroed. South Beach 8s, that was big for me. Definitely had to get those. I remember people was going crazy for those back in the day. The Weathermans, the Nerfs for the KDs. People was going crazy for the Nerfs. They both retros. So what I always tell people, sooner or later you're gonna be able to get the shoe you want. You just gotta be patient. Every shoe comes back out. If it's a restock or just a re-release, every shoe comes back out. And I think the last time this dropped was 2011. I could be wrong about that. The picture was up, so y'all saw the date. I'm definitely gonna add that picture though while I was talking. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the KD4 Aunt Pearl. So happy I got this. Y'all should be able to get this. Like I said, just walk into your local Foot Locker, depending on when you're seeing this. You seeing this today, you seeing this tomorrow, you should be able to get this shoe. But like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Toon's Kicks. I know you can't see the logo, but representing Toon's Kicks and the whole Toon squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.